Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to show you another magic trick, and all you will need for that is some water, a white plate and some whiteboard markers. Please don't try it with permanent markers because it will not work. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw straight onto our plate with our whiteboard markers, a little heart. We'll just color it in. Let that dry for a little bit. I'm going to draw a little man. This is a stick man, making sure all the lines connect to each other. You can use as many colors as you want, or if you've only got one color, that's also perfectly fine. And we let them dry for a little bit, not too long. And then all we do is we pour some water slowly and gently into the plate. Oh, and that should make our pictures lift up and come alive. And you see, oh, that poor man's head has gone all wonky. But you could turn it around and they can swim around. If you've got men, you could probably do some fish, under the sea creatures. There we go, as easy as that. Thank you very much.